How would you like to celebrate online? Like this? Or like that? Fun, energizing, and relaxed celebrations online? Yes, it's possible. We will organize the celebration of your dreams for you. You can choose team challenges, speeches, quizzes, improvised live music, personalized movies or slideshows, and activities and chats in small groups. Ideal for companies, perfect for private parties.
Alle, die jetzt froh sind, hier zu sein.
In German and English.
And congratulations to the winning group.
Suitable for all occasions, age groups, and group sizes. Get in touch to find out what your ideal celebration could look like. Book now. Sarah at improverin.com, www.improverin.com. Greater communication, greater results.